is a propeller. It's about 40 years old.
How do you use this?
It's a work of art, almost. You can hang it on the wall, you can lean it against something, and it's just something to look at.
It's an old propeller. It's nice to look at.
Let's find something older. Oh, this looks old. Excuse me, what's this?
This is a horse called Robo Horse.
Robo horse? How old is it?
This particular horse is about 75, 76 years old.
This is a robo horse.